Science has a remarkable knack for turning fantasy into fact. What was once relegated to the realm of imagination is now a tangible reality. As we continue to push the boundaries of human ingenuity and exploration, invisibility. It might sound like a fantasy, but it's actually a reality thanks to recent breakthroughs in nanotechnology. But today, AI is rapidly becoming a part of our everyday lives. But what if this fantastical concept could soon become a reality? Recent advancements in quantum physics have brought us closer to the possibility of teleportation than ever before. By utilizing the principles of quantum entanglement, scientists have successfully teleported the state of one particle to another, even over vast distances. The future is full of possibilities, and the only limit is our imagination. While this may not be the type of teleportation that we see in science fiction, it is a crucial step towards realizing this once distant dream. The potential applications of teleportation technology are vast, from revolutionizing transportation to enabling new forms of communication. While there are still many challenges to overcome, the prospect of teleportation is an exciting frontier for scientific exploration. Who knows when we might be able to step into a teleportation device and emerge instantly at our desired destination. From virtual assistants that help us with daily tasks, to algorithms that personalize our online experiences, AI is all around us. Imagine a world where people with disabilities can control computers with their thoughts, and where medical professionals can treat brain disorders by directly stimulating specific areas of the brain. The ability to create human organs in a laboratory setting has long been a staple of science fiction. But today, this fantasy is becoming a reality thanks to advances in 3D printing technology. Scientists have created functional organs, such as livers and kidneys, by using a 3D printer to layer biocompatible materials in living cells. These lab-grown organs can then be transplanted into patients in need, providing them with a new lease on life. This breakthrough technology has the potential to save countless lives and alleviate the shortage of available organs for transplantation. But it also raises ethical questions about the source of the cells used to create the organs and the potential for organ trafficking. This may sound like a futuristic fantasy, but it's actually a reality thanks to recent breakthroughs in brain-computer interface technology. By implanting electrodes into the brain and connecting them to a computer, scientists have developed systems that allow people with paralysis to control prosthetic limbs and even type on a keyboard using only their thoughts. This technology has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with computers and to transform the lives of people with disabilities. But it also raises ethical questions about privacy, autonomy, and the nature of consciousness itself. Recent advancements in machine learning, a subset of AI that involves training computers to learn from data without explicit programming, have led to some incredible breakthroughs. For example, AI-powered systems are now capable of diagnosing diseases with greater accuracy than humans, assisting surgeons in performing complex procedures and even composing music that rivals that of human composers. The rise of AI has sparked both excitement and concern. As these systems become more sophisticated, they also raise ethical questions about privacy, bias, and the nature of intelligence itself. Nevertheless, the potential benefits of AI are too great to ignore, and it's clear that this technology will continue to shape our world in the years to come. By incorporating self-healing nanoparticles into various materials, scientists have created innovative products such as tires that can repair themselves from punctures. These nanoparticles are designed to sense and respond to damage by migrating to the site of the break and releasing healing agents. This process is similar to how our bodies heal wounds, but on a much smaller scale. The result is a material that can autonomously repair itself, extending its lifespan and reducing waste. This breakthrough technology not only has practical applications in industries such as aerospace and automotive, but also offers a glimpse into a future where materials are not just durable, but also sustainable. The idea of being invisible has fascinated humans for centuries. Imagine a new report from the University of California, Irvine, suggests that this fantasy may soon become a reality. By utilizing metamaterials, which are artificially engineered structures with unique optical properties, scientists have created a film just 0.02 of a millimeter thick that can bend light around an object. This technology, While the current application of this technology is limited to making tiny objects invisible to the naked eye, researchers believe that future advancements could lead to larger objects becoming invisible. This scientific breakthrough is not only a testament to the incredible power of science, but also raises interesting questions about privacy and security. It's fascinating to look at the incredible scientific breakthroughs that were once considered pure science fiction. Time travel. The concept of time travel has long been confined to the realms of science fiction. However, recent scientific advancements have brought us closer to this once distant fantasy than ever before. One promising avenue of research involves the use of wormholes as a means of traveling through time. Wormholes are theoretical tunnels that connect to different points in space-time, allowing for the possibility of traveling to different time periods. While wormholes have yet to be discovered, scientists are actively exploring ways to create them in the laboratory. Another approach to time travel involves the use of a device known as a time machine. Unlike wormholes, time machines do not rely on existing natural phenomena, but rather involve the manipulation of space-time through advanced technology. While the construction of a time machine remains a daunting challenge, some researchers believe that it may be possible in the near future. Despite the challenges that lie ahead, the prospect of time travel is an exciting frontier for scientific exploration. Who knows what wonders and mysteries await us in the past or future? From the fantastical concept of invisibility to the creation of life-saving medical devices, here are 7 scientific breakthroughs that sound like sci-fi. No. 3. Self-healing materials. Imagine a world where materials can heal themselves from any damage, reducing the need for constant repairs and replacements. Number 4. Artificial intelligence. The realm of artificial intelligence was once the exclusive domain of science fiction, populated by robots and machines that mirrored human intelligence. No. 5. Teleportation. The idea of teleportation has long been a staple of science fiction, allowing characters to instantly transport themselves from one location to another. No. 6. Brain-computer interfaces. Number 7. 3D printed organs. As we continue to push the boundaries of scientific exploration, who knows what other fantasies will become realities?